Today, we're diving into a tool that every ethical hacker and cyber learner should know, the Harvester. This tool is part of Kali Linux, and it's built for OSINT, or Open Source Intelligence. Basically, it helps you find public information about a target, things like email addresses, subdomains, IPs, and host names, all from sources that anyone can access online. The Harvester isn't about hacking or breaking into anything. It's about awareness. When you point it at a domain, it pulls data from search engines like Google and Bing, from Shodan, from LinkedIn, and even from certificate databases. In just a few minutes, you can build a picture of what's publicly exposed about that domain, stuff that might surprise you. So why use it? Because knowledge is defense. Before running a penetration test, or even just securing your own company's network, it's smart to know what information is already out there. For cybersecurity teams, it's a quick way to spot leaks before attackers do. For students and ethical hackers, it's a safe, legal way to learn how Reconnaissance works. And for businesses, it's a way to find old servers, forgotten domains, or exposed emails that should have been locked down long ago. Running, it's simple. You open a terminal in Kali and type theHarvester, dexample.com, B. All that tells it to scan every available data source for that domain. When it finishes, it gives you a neat list. Emails, host names, IPs, all organized and ready to review. You can then verify what's still active and take steps to patch or remove what shouldn't be public. The Harvester shows you what the world can already see about your presence online. It's one of those tools that makes you realize how much information sits out there waiting to be collected. Used responsibly, it's not just a scanner, it's a reality check for digital exposure. So if you're learning cybersecurity, or just want to strengthen your defenses, the Harvester is a perfect place to start. Remember, good recon builds better protection. I'm Ping Penguin. Stay curious, stay ethical, and I'll catch you in the next lesson.